Monday morning brings Animal House, and chances are if you or someone you know ends up in the hospital, the last thing you might expect to see is someone like Charlie here wandering the halls. Charlie and his buddies here, we've got a few of them, are therapy dogs, and Dr. Kevin Fitzgerald is here. So tell us about these dogs. Obviously, they have some special qualities. You can't just bring any dog into a hospital.
Yeah, there's a lot of bad news in the world, but there's some good news in the studio this morning. These guys are you hear about service dogs and assistance dogs, but these are therapy dogs. And so in World War II, Dr. Charles Mayo, that started the Mayo Clinic, started using dogs as therapy for wounded soldiers.
Okay, now we have Charlie here, and then we also have Triton next to you.
Triton.
And who's here?
That's Radar.
Radar, and then we have
That's
Wyatt.
Sue Lee.
Sue Lee and Wyatt.
And then little Wyatt right here.
So obviously, I mean, this would lift my spirits. I imagine the hospital pairing people with certain dogs, it can have a real lifting impact.
Well, that's right. There's definite documented health benefits for having a dog with a sick person. It helps their immune system, lowers their heart rate, works on a lot of neurotransmitters that work on more optimistic healing. So there's real things that it does, and so they've documented many of these changes in people that are sick.
So now, if I was healthy, I'd like to have these 5 dogs in a room with me. That'd be a great time. But what do they have to go through as far as qualifying to be a therapy dog? They have to be clean, things like that, right?
Well, they have to have, be vaccinated and be free of parasites, but also they have to be certified because of some personalities are, Yoda's done it, but he's not. He's a little selfish and more focused on himself. But they have to be certified, and they have to have the right personality and temperament.
Well, they're terrific. We want to thank you ladies for bringing the dogs down here and showing them to us, and we want to thank the pups. Charlie, who just thinks I'm delicious. He loves my makeup. But Kevin, thanks as always for bringing us these stories on Animal House.
Thanks for all you do for animals.
All right, Shaw?